Hello, welcome to netvn. In this video I show how to migrate from a traditional hard drive to a solid-state drive. Here I will migrate from 1 TB hard drive to 256 GB hard drive. The software used is called Disk Genius. You download and install it on a traditional hard drive. You open Disk Genius and migrate the operating system from a traditional hard drive to a solid-state drive. You select the source hard drive and the destination hard drive before migrating the operating system. Then you wait patiently until it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Next, set up your computer to boot from a solid-state drive. Good luck.